Hello, and this is a tutorial for a 2x2 piston door. Now, this is what you're going to need to do. Place these here, and then blocks right here. And then you're going to need 4. And you'll put 2 more here. Now, what you'll also want to do is you'll place a torch here, and then a block here. Power that, and then put that there. These are being a little noisy, but you'll do the same thing on the other side. And then what you'll want to do is put redstone dust down here. And then you'll want 2 pressure plates right here. And then you'll put redstone dust here. And then it will go off this way until it gets to here. Now what you'll want to do here is you'll need to go here. What you want to do is you'll break these 2 out and then do this. Boom. So that part works right now, but you need to pick out that block and then put that right there. Oh, oops. That didn't work. Probably because I messed it up. Okay, so you'll do that. And if it isn't working like mine, then add another block. Yeah, that's the problem. And then you'll just cover it up like this. And then 4. Then you can add these up here and actually make it so you can get in. And boom, a door. And if you want to do it on both sides, then all you have to do is this. You just connect it in like that. And then you put pressure plates here. Ready? See? Boom. Yeah, that is the recording. If you liked it, and maybe you can like or something or stuff